Skylight Hut. Situated in a quiet recreational area near Prague, this hut embodies an unusual architectural character, blending into the peaceful surrounding landscape. The owners, a couple from Prague, were looking for an escape from city life that could serve as both a weekend retreat and a comfortable work-from-home environment. They were lured by the natural beauty of the property, with its lush gardens and trees, and the promise of tranquility. However, the original 1970s hut was not only too small, but also in poor condition. The couple envisioned a larger space, complete with a loft bedroom, but zoning regulations prevented new construction and limited the height to 7.7 meters. Faced with this challenge, they embarked on a complete renovation to meet their spatial needs and the requirements of the local authorities. Architect Martin Hajný embraced the limitations, designing a unique structure that respects the beautiful views enjoyed by the neighbors. Retaining the original stone foundation, he introduced a truncated hip roof that minimizes the height while giving the hut a distinctive tent-like silhouette. The 2x4 frame, open to allow air circulation, rests on a reinforced concrete slab supported by pillars that are discreetly integrated into the stone walls. The facade and roof are clad in durable trapezoidal metal sheeting, a practical and easy-to-maintain material that mimics the look of wood battens and blends in with the natural surroundings. The dark, earthy exterior helps the hut blend into its surroundings, while the interior, by contrast, is a warm and inviting space dominated by natural pine plywood. The material, chosen for its texture and warmth, extends throughout the ceiling panels, walls, and custom-made furniture, giving it a classic rustic feel. Inside, the hut's simple yet functional layout reflects the couple's desire for a minimalist retreat. The ground floor features an open-plan living area that combines kitchen, dining, and lounge areas, allowing for seamless interaction and easy access to the outdoor views. The kitchen is compact but well-equipped, with wood cabinetry that complements the pine plywood walls. A cozy dining nook nearby offers a beautiful place to eat, framed by large windows. In the lounge area, low sofas and armchairs invite relaxation, while a wood-burning stove adds warmth during the colder months. The bathroom, located off the main living area, is designed with understated elegance, featuring soft gray plaster walls and practical fixtures. Upstairs, the loft bedroom is a tranquil retreat, furnished with a low bed that sits beneath a skylight, providing a connection to the night sky and allowing soft sunlight to pour in each morning. Carefully selected furnishings and natural materials throughout the cottage create a calm and inviting atmosphere that perfectly aligns with the owner's vision of a peaceful hideaway. So it's clear that overall this thoughtfully renovated cottage perfectly combines functionality and sensitivity to the landscape. A combination of practical materials, careful spatial planning, and creative architectural solutions have transformed it into a comfortable year-round retreat that meets both aesthetic and regulatory demands. The result is a home that invites its owners to reconnect with nature in a setting that feels secluded and perfectly blends with the surrounding landscape.